Welcome to the Xiaomi Open Earbuds Pro that were launched yesterday by Xiaomi. We also got them today. It's a Xiaomi headset priced at 1,000 yuan. If you follow a 100 yuan discount, offering it to fans for 899. Please unbox it. Coincidentally, we have the old Xiaomi Open style earphones and Huawei's Open style earphones on hand, so we can compare them side by side in terms of appearance and sound quality. So without further ado, let's unbox it and take a look. The size of the packaging box for this generation of earphones is indeed much smaller compared to the previous generation. The design of the Xiaomi Open Earbuds Pro actually has a notable continuity, and overall this design is quite similar to the previous generation of Xiaomi Open Earbuds. The main change is that the placement of the earbuds in the charging case has been altered to a face-to-face style similar to Huawei's open ear headphones. The back of the earbuds now has a metal design, and the power button and charging port are located on the side. However, I think the opening of the charging case and the removal of the earbuds in this generation are not as convenient as the previous generation of Xiaomi Open style earbuds. The previous generation's vertical long strip design makes it easier to open and take with one hand. Then, there's the included earphone protective case, which you can check out if you're interested. We'll go over it quickly. Compared to the Xiaomi Open headphones we previously sold, this new design has a metal back, but in terms of material and feel, it is very similar. Then we can open it to show everyone. The main difference is that the top material of the earphones has changed from overturned liquid silicone to metal, and the overall appearance looks very much like Huawei's Open type earphones. In other aspects, such as the weight of the earphones, the sound quality experience and the comfort of wearing the earbuds, in the opinion of the uploader, have basically not improved compared to the previous generation. However, the launch price has indeed increased from 699 to 999 compared to the previous generation, but the upgrade is not very apparent. In the Xiaomi Earphones app, we can see that this generation has added recording and spatial audio. Then, in other aspects like sound quality, LHDs 96Hz, these are the same as the previous generation, and the sound quality is about the same. Then in terms of sound effect settings, this time there is an additional Harman preset queue, as well as low latency mode and adaptive volume. And then we can see that this gesture control was already in the previous generation, and there's no difference from the previous generation. Now let's take a look at some other aspects. Overall, there are many distinct features, and the dual device connection was also in the previous generation. Overall, the price of 999 is still too high. Buying the previous generation might be a better deal.